What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. I've been playing around with these ground vehicles lately. This here is the HBX Protector, it's called. This is a 1/12 scale sand dune buggy, and this one is fully hobby grade. It's not entry level like the other ones. This one actually has oil filled shocks, so as you can see, when you drop this thing, it doesn't do a lot of bouncing around, so a little better suspension on it. Now this one actually runs off of these batteries here. These are 18650 lithium ion packs, I believe they are, and it comes with two sets. This is one set here, and the other set is installed in the vehicle, and they are ran in series, I believe, because these are 3.7 volt each, and so we have two of them in there to equal 7.4 volts. They conveniently have this duct tape around them, if you can see that, in order to snatch them out easy. The little small details do matter a lot in this hobby, and so we have those little pull grips to snatch the batteries out, and that's where they're installed there. They did do another upgrade on their vehicles. I did have a HBX buggy that was similar to this, and it has the same body, and one difference they did was to this on and off switch. The on and off switch used to break a lot on me. Well, this one here, it has a press in on and off button, so you hold it for a few seconds to turn it on, you hold it for a few seconds to turn it off, and we'll see if that's better in the long run, because my older ones, the on and off switch was malfunctioning. I actually had to do a mod on my McGruff truck. It has the same type of body as this, same layout and all, and this is the transmitter, pistol grip style with the little steering wheel on the side still. This time we have throttle trim and steering reverse. This little buggy did come with a bunch of stickers to put on the body of it. I elected to leave it the way it is. I will probably add the stickers later on, but for now I'm just feeling the way it looks now. And it also has LEDs installed, so we have a light bar here, pretty nice. And so let's turn it on. The lights are pretty bright. You probably can't tell here in the daytime, maybe you can, but the LEDs are pretty large, a nice size. So let's get this thing running. Batteries are fully charged. So we really can't change the speeds with this transmitter, but it does support other transmitters where we can probably change the speeds and all. That's the top speed for now. Check it out. So it handles pretty nice. Maybe not the ideal place to run this thing, or maybe so. So the steering is pretty quick, servo is pretty quick on it. I can see the lights really good. So this thing runs pretty nice. Let's see if we could do a little off-roading in here. Let's sneak in. See if we could do some climbing. It's climbing this, handling this little mound like a champ. So let me try to hit it from a better angle. There we go. See if we can sneak in over the rocks over here. Maybe they should call this a rock crawler. Let me stop, because if it gets stuck up there, I'm going to have to climb up there. Now that looks like a nice jump right there. See if we can make that. Maybe coming back the other direction. So it's the HBX 1/12 scale Protector. Thanks for watching.